I remember in primary school singing a song in the choir about Christmas, and there were brolgas dancing in that song. That's my earliest memory of brolgas. Out on the plains, the brolgas are dancing, lifting their feet like warhorses prancing. They're an impressive bird just because of their size. They live for a really long time, I think 70-odd years, and they dance. Yes.
I think they are. They're quite majestic.
Yeah.
When you see them out in the landscape.
I thought they were extinct when I started this.
I work for an environmental organisation and we've been restoring wetlands for the last 5 years in southwest Victoria. We have a high concentration population of brolgas that we need to make sure we look after. Since settlement, a lot of our wetlands have been drained so we could farm the land essentially. I'd say there's probably more than 75% wetland reduction. Wetlands are very important to our ecosystem. They do offer that diversity in habitat, but they also attract a lot of other wildlife to the area. They're seasonal, they're not always full of water. Part of the regulations for the wind farms to be able to build where they do is that they need to provide some additional nesting habitats for brolgas, and that's where the additional wetlands come in place. Hey Damian, how are you going?
Good, Candice, how are you?
Nice to see you.
These wetlands that you've been visiting were used for cropping or stock. So this particular program has re-established 4 wetlands that were previously drained. So that's a net positive. So when I come out here, I look for brolga activity for the binoculars, and I service the wildlife cameras. We even have a picture of them dancing on the cameras this year.
That's wonderful.
Yeah. If you help the wetlands to attract the brolgas, you're also helping lots of other things, the plants and the frogs.
They're not just restored and then we kind of walk away. They're looked after for the life of the wind farm. Over that period, the landholders provided financial support to take these wetlands out of production and keep them as they are for the brolgas, essentially.
And the initial rain, and that bigger rain we had in May, it just soaked straight into the ground, so.
There's a lot of knowledge, lots of local knowledge. I've met a lot of amazing landholders, walked around a lot of wetlands, and without that landholder contribution, we wouldn't have been able to do that. Being a part of the project with the wind farm, I mean, I feel quite proud of what we've achieved.
Everything that's going on in these wetlands is from the wind farm plan, yeah. They're paying for the whole show.